Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. Let's go, I will start with this. I discovered this card because a German seller sell a box of red turkey. I don't buy this box because it was a little expensive, only 11 cards in the box. But I check on the eBay.com to compare the price to okay, and I find some stickers some auto stickers very cheap. It was about $1 the auto, and I cannot pass on. Of course, there are not some great players, but let's go. I will show you my purchase about this series. Trey Hila with I think he was drafted by the Current Affairs. Nice. Kevin Norwood. I love this Red Turkey edition. I think the year is 2014, or maybe I will try to build the basis set because I love this card. Next is Brandon Coleman. Nice. And the last is Terren West. I think he yet play in NFL, but no, I think he stopped his career in 2018, and I purchased the second auto of Terran West, but very happy with the looking, and the price on the shipping cost was really cheap. Next, what I get, okay, I purchased two cards of Joe Morgan. I love this card, and I will try to send him a TTM request in the next day. Okay, next I will show you. It's one of TTM return. I ever show this card in my last video, but it's really funny because at the back of the auto of a guy my entire, he put the mark, the note, don't sell. Okay, that it's funny. And I sent him two cards. The second card is not signed my card, but really funny. He also write don't sell on this card. But anyway, I was very happy and thanks Mr. Guy my entire to sign my card. Guy is also a first name in French, and in French he say Guy McIntyre. Thank you, sir. Next, I purchased this card to a French seller. Let's go. I will show what I bought. Steve McCarthy, nice card. Bruce Benedict, nice. Who's Has, nice. What is the edition of this card? Must to be Tops 1981. Scott Sanderson, nice with the expos. Oh, the cards are really not well centered, but anyway. Dave Palmer, Ron Lefleur, John Tamarco, Stan Bronson. Oh, I love the looking. Elias Souza, Willie Montanes, Tony Bernazar, Steve Anderson, now with the Mets, okay. Ken Forge for the Astros, Mike Kroko from the Cubs, Rick Waits. Oh, I love the looking. Oh, look on this card. Grant Jackson. Oh, it's beautiful looking, and the cap of the Pirates is very vintage cap, but very throwback cap, but very great. Paul Mosco, okay. Gary Lavelle, Glenn Bar, Jay Johnston, Rick Miller, Terry Conley, and Roger Erickson, another Wayne Garland. Oh my gosh, I'm very happy with this purchase. the look is this set is really, I love this set. Great. And for the same seller, I purchased a Rod Carew relics. Nice, happy with this. Next, it's also come from a French seller. It's a lot about pins, NFL pins. They are really beauty, and I will not say the name of the pin, but you could watch. And the price was cheap, and I love these pins. Sorry, one of my favorites is the Los Angeles Ram pins, and also the Chicago Bears 1963 champion. Oh, those are very sweet. And love also the Detroit Lions. Well, I like all the pins. I will show you another time. I'm very happy with this purchase. Very nice. Great. Okay. Next. Oh, I was very happy to grab it. I buy this few bucks from a German seller. It's very nice because I just discovered this, but the United States edited some stamp in order to celebrate the one centennial, I think we can say like this, centennial of baseball. And this letter is very nice, very crazy. The postmark, it's right Seattle. Maybe I will put off the okay, and the postmark is right Seattle, and the date must to be 1938 to 33, something like this. But very happy to grab this for a few bucks, and I love the looking, and the card is really beautiful. To stamp to celebrate the centennial of baseball. And very happy with this. And this stamp must to be edited or printed in 1933 or very near from this date. Very, and I love this item. I will try to store it with care. Okay, that is crazy. Very happy with this. Okay. Next, now the last item, it's about a German seller, and I buy many things. Alors, this I don't know what is it really. This I don't know. It's a game day program, or if I will try just to move a little bit. Okay, I don't know what is it exactly. This I don't know if it's a game day program or something that every spectator received when they were in the stadium. But look on this page. It's Washington Redskins versus Cleveland Browns. We have the date October 13, 1991, Robert F. Kennedy Stadium, and you get all the players, all the lineup. That is crazy. The deep chart on the Redskins Washington, some great players. This year the Redskins was the Super Bowl champion. Ricky Sanders, Gary Clark, Jim Lachey, Raleigh McKenzie, Bostic, Schlereth, Jacoby, Middleton, Art Monk, the famous Art Monk, Ricky Sanders, Mark Rypien, Stan Humphries was the backup, Ernest Biner, Gerald Reese. That is crazy. Charles Mann, Eric Williams, Steve Johnson, Wilbur Marshall, Matt Millen, Darrell Green. That is crazy. And I don't know if it's only if all the spectators got this document, and only the VIP person, on maybe the spectator can buy this for few bucks when they were at the game. That it's crazy. And you get also the special team with Brian Mitchell, crazy. For the Browns, I saw some famous player, Clay Matthews in defense. Okay, in offense, of course, Bernie Kosar, Eric Metcalf. Oh, I didn't know that Michael Jackson play also football. I remember also this player. And the back of it is very interesting. Of course, you have the list of all the players, and also you have the coach. Of course, Joe Gibbs, the famous Washington Redskins head coach. And for the Brown, you get Bill Belichick. Oh my gosh, that is really, really crazy. I will not read all the document because there is so many names, but also, what's the other coach for the C Brown? Jim Bates, Blackmon, Crosby, Hunter, Richard Mann, John Mitchell, Scott O'Brien, Nick Saban. I think he's the famous Alabama coach. Jerry Simons. That it's crazy. And I purchased many pages of this. For example, I will not read all the document, but just for example, this is Houston Oilers, New England Patriots, Sunday, September 20, 1991, Foxborough Stadium. That is really crazy, and you get all the players on of course, I will not say all the names, but Warren Moon, Curtis Duncan, Ernest Giving, a very exciting wide receiver, Bruce Matthews on offensive line. In defense, you get Ray Childress, Lamar Layton, Al Smith. That is really crazy, crazy. And for the coach, look on this, on the coach, Jack Pardy, okay, he always wear a cowboy hat. That is really crazy. And I purchased many documents about this game. Love also this because what this game is Los Angeles Rams versus New York Giants. That is crazy. Some legendary player, Lawrence Taylor, Pepper Johnson, Leonard Marshall. That is crazy in defense. For the Giants, in offense, Jeff Osteller, Phil Simms, Otis Anderson, Ronnie Hampton. That is really crazy. And for the Rams, I don't know what the more famous name, but we get Kevin Green in defense, of course. In offense, we have Jim Everett, Jackie Slater, Henry Ella, one of the best receiver. That is crazy. And in the back also, we had some coach. I don't know many guys in the coaching staff for the Rams. Oh, see, Jeff Fisher. After he was NFL head coach, and for the Giants. Okay, we'll just look. That is crazy. This page. Oh, I get another. I will not say you all the name, but just another. That it's Cowboy versus Giants, Sunday, September 30 at the Giants Stadium, 1990. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All the great. And for the coach, what we get like the coach? For the Cowboy, Jimmy Johnson, David Shula, must to be the son of Don Shula, Dan Wanstead, Hubert Alexander, Joe Avezzano, Joe Broski. Okay, I will not say all the names, but and for the Giants, Bill Parcells, famous,